Do you have days where you constantly lose money to the markets? It might be Monday, it might be Friday, but it's like the market is out there to get you. And I too used to experience that. However, this is a very fucked up way of looking at the markets because the markets don't really care about your $10, your $20. The market is just doing its own thing. And it's just us to identify what the heck is really going on here. And once we understand what's happening, then we can use it to our advantage. Because Monday or Friday, it's still an opportunity to make money. In this video, we are going to look at how I have been able to game the system to trade any particular day of the week without any stress, without any pressure. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Let's do it. So step one is understanding the weekly cycle. And if you've been watching my videos, you know that we come to the screen mostly on Wednesday and our week usually begins on Wednesdays. And so let's use Bitcoin for our example. So when we come to the screen on Wednesday, the first question we ask ourselves is, Monday set the high and the low of the week. And so where is Monday? Monday sets the high and the low of the week like that. And it's just the highest point and the lowest point price reached in that 24-hour period. And then we look at Tuesday. How did Tuesday close in relation to the high and the low of the week? Remember the close. So this is the close where this dotted line is. And the close is outside of the range. All right, so we are not interested when the close is outside. We are interested when the close is inside. All right. So all we do is adjust our level to that new low of the week and then we wait for Wednesday to close. Now, if we look at Wednesday, Wednesday closes outside of the low of the week. So we are not really interested in that. Again, we adjust our low to that level and then we wait for Thursday to close. Now, Thursday breaks out, closes back inside of the range. So now we have what we call a failed breakout. See, price broke out, closed back inside of the range. Now, if a failed breakout occurs at the low of the week, that is a buy signal. And so it means that on Friday, we will be looking for an opportunity to continue buying. Now, Friday stays within the range of the high and the low of the week. And so that means that we can continue buying until we have another failed breakout either at the high or the low. And so on Friday, we continue buying, but then Friday breaks out of the high of the week and then closes back inside of the range, giving us another failed breakout. Now at the high, the first breakout was at the low. This one is at the high. And if it's at the high, then that means that we sell the next day. On Sunday, we were looking to continue selling. And then price still remained within the high and the low of the week. Meaning we continue selling even on Monday. And so that is how we can trade on Monday because we already understand the weekly cycle. And so now we already know what we want to do on Monday. When I come to the screen in the New York session, I identify my high and my low of the day. So this is the low of the day here. And the high of the day is also the high of the week here. And then I identify my level where price is consolidating. So we can see this level here, price is just bouncing off of. And then in the New York session, when the market opens at 9:30, boom, we have our breakout. We are looking to sell and we have this movement up. We have no resistance. So if you get in here, stop loss above that candle, what do you think is going to happen? Price is just going to break down very, very well because you already understand what the market is doing. Same thing happened on USD JPY yesterday. If you're tired of blowing up your accounts and you want to make a change this month of August moving forward, we have 5 spots left for the mentorship. So book your call now to see if you qualify to join the mentorship. And so when we look at last week, we have this low of the week set on Wednesday. And then on Thursday, price breaks out and closes back inside of the range as a failed breakout at the low of the week, which is a buy signal for Friday. Now, Friday stayed within the range of the high and the low of the week, which means we look for buys on Monday because now we already have the buyers of the week. We already know where the market is headed. And so when I come to the screen, yesterday I took this trade in the London session. When I come to the screen in the London session, we have this level where price is bouncing off of, and we also have this level here where price was also bouncing. And the moment price broke out and closed above this level, that's your entry stop loss below that candle, and you are targeting the high of the day. And so this is how I broke my beliefs. The market is out here to get me. Oh, it's about to take my $10. Oh my God.